Hi guys, so today I have a sponsored video for you from Tonic Studios for their new craft kit number 66. I believe it's called Sassy Shell Bag. Let's check it out. So let's open this up. So they did send these items free of charge from review, and of course all opinions are my own. Any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thanks for using them if you can. Generally for a video like this, it's a link to the one-off purchase. So if you just want to get this craft box and not have signed up for a membership, you can do that. There's also a monthly membership that you can sign up for, and again you can skip. You just need to contact them. Excuse me. And then there's also a quarterly membership, which is 3 months, at a time, and you can also skip if there's one in there that you're planning on skipping. Whenever you see the reveal, you can just let them know, and of course you still have that 3 months. It's paid for, right? So, all right, guys, and then you get 10% off their site whenever you are an active club member. So this month we have the binder. So the new reworked white binder, really, really cute. You have your folders. So every month you do get a folder, and this is how your dies and stamps come in. So they're on here. So let's open this guy up. And I do have, again, I do get samples. Sometimes mine look a little different than what you might receive. But this does have the sticker, the Sassy Shell Bag, and you are to take this little guy. Of course, you can put it wherever you like. I always just put it right in the center. And so as you put in your binder and you have your other folders in there, you can just quickly get to the one that you were looking for. So the Sassy Shell Bag. And let's check this out, you guys. Look at this stamp set. Photopolymer stamps, gorgeous, smell amazing, and really nice design. So obviously it goes into that larger shell bag design there. And then we have some like little extras and add-ons in it that looks like the gusset, like the side piece that you can do. And it has "Let's Celebrate" and "Wishing you oceans of joy." And look at the little shell. How cute is that one? And a little starfish. So let's check this guy out. Let's get this guy up here. Okay, it looks like some of them might have slipped off here, so I just want to make sure. I might still have one kind of tucked in there, but for now, let's take that this way. So you have this gorgeous, as you can see, shell bag. So this is your main piece. It has the side gusset. I'm assuming you're going to cut 2 of those and glue them together in a way that this is on either side, right? And then you have a little bit of a curved glue tab, so we will definitely try all this out. We have this guy that's like an inlay up here. It might have come from here. I'm just gonna pop it over here for now. So you have these side pieces that help you decorate here, but the inlays would go there. Unless you want to hear it might make it a little bit more delicate, a little bit harder to go ahead and turn and glue together. So I would definitely just use it on the topper bits, Look at this beautiful shell. So it just cuts out like this. So it's a very silhouette looking shell. Again, your main piece, we have this inlay, but you have this portion here that you would use the inlay with, or again, right into there. My goodness, I am getting tongue-tied today. I'll say depending on the look you're going for. And how cute would that be actually in here? Maybe leave this so it's easier to glue, but it looks like one of those beach bags. Oh my gosh, adorable. But anyway, so we have that, a little like shell, a little starfish, super cute. On this side we have like what would make the shell look like a tag. It has a little tag bit. You have another little tag here that you can pop in "See you soon" and "CSEA." Lots of love, just for you. And then again, the side pieces that have like mermaid scale, or like this one has like little dots. This one's just a straight edge. And then you can mix and match, of course, these inlays. This one's very really ironwork, really pretty. Oops, sorry. And again, of course, we talked about that piece. And then we have all these other portions here that look like drop-ins. And if you're looking, you're like, oh, I didn't see anything really curved like that. What it is, it goes like with that one. So you can pop that in there with this guy. So it looks like you're maybe fantastic, but it looks like it's a Santastic. I'm trying to read these guys, and so it's a little bit harder to see when it's so stylized. Something for you, maybe here, and then special day, and I think the special part has a pun in there, and hello. Something good here. Anyway, sorry guys, it is hard to read those backwards and then when they're so stylized. But we have those, and then again we talked about the stamp set. Really gorgeous. I can't wait to play with this. It's gonna be super cute. Especially it looks very simple, right? The 2 pieces, and we're gonna put them together and have some fun there. Okay, let's see what we have here. Ooh, okay. So first thing I noticed there is some crafter's ribbon in ivory white. So that'll help you make it look like a purse, seal up the bag, or however it is that you want to use that. The sparkle spray. This stuff is so good, you guys. So this is a sparkle spray in cream gold. I have a few of these, and whenever I use them, you know, so even if I haven't used them in a while, they haven't clogged up or anything, they continue to go. You just give them a little shake. You're trying to get the little pigment and, you know, the little shimmery bits back incorporated into the liquid, and then you can spray. Really, really good stuff. Ooh, look at this. A Nuvo Smooth Precision Glue Pen. Okay, we're gonna have to try this out today. Well, I guess it depends on what I'm doing, but hopefully we can try this guy out today. So we have this glue pen. Let me see if I just open this up and see what that is. As far as the tip of it, oh, look at that. Very cool. It has a little closure on top, so we're gonna pop that off if we're gonna use it today. But for right now, it's sealed at the tip, so that's nice. And then we have a Crystal Drops in Morning Dew. I was gonna say, I think this is the one that's just clear. I love this. This is so fun because it just adds a little here and there. You can put on your flowers, maybe even sprinkle some glitter on it if you'd like, but it dries clear, so it just gives a cute little sweet look to things. Very good for this application with the seashell bag, right? So yeah, having to do with water and things like that. And then we have this Tropical Fruits. How cute is that? Trio here with Panama Rose, Rubber Duck, and Lime Burst, and these colors are so pretty together, so it's really nice to have these. I kind of mix that together. And then our papers. Now again, like I said, I get samples, so right now I do not have the brochure that comes with it, but your brochure will literally list everything that's in there and the names of your papers, so you know, you can definitely pick up more if that's what you're wanting to do. So let me look how pretty the colors are in this. Oh, I love it. So pretty. So last time I skipped a couple. That's kind of typical when I try to fan them out, but we have that beautiful glitter, again, that teal glitter, and this purple specialty card. Both these are specialty card. I don't know if you can see, it has like a texture to it. There we go. Maybe there you can see that. Beautiful white on the back, both of those. Two of the cream colored of the classic card. Again, the classic card is textured more on one side than it is on the other. This is actually the side that's more textured. You can see that there. This side's a little less textured, and if I want to stamp on it, I generally die cut on the less textured side so I can stamp on that. More of your, I want to say teal, I guess that's the teal one. Blue, I know they have several different blues, and this is one of the darker blues, and it's really gorgeous, but it does have a very teal tone to it. Beautiful color. And then that teal color, again, classic card. And then a lavender and a deeper purple classic card. This is such a pretty colorway. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna clear out some of these items. We'll start die cutting, and we'll get right to it. Get to die cutting, and I'm gonna use, well, I'll just bring all these out. Again, you have accent pieces, and you know, the stamping would be something that can take the spot of this area, right? If you look at the same kind of shape, so if you want to do stamping and a little die cutting, you can pop that in there. And I forgot to mention the, well, I did mention the binder, but I didn't show you. You just open it up and just pop your stuff in. It's very easy. And then I think it holds 3 at a time. Yes. So every 3 months or so, you'll receive a binder. Okay, so let's get this guy. Let's get this guy. This one, and if we want the front of the purse or the back, you know, let's do this one because like I wasn't able to read that one too well, so we'll use that guy. And we still have a tag. We can use all those fun things. There's actually a couple different tags, and I'm thinking I'll try and use the gold spray today, so I'm going to cut 2 of these guys from the cream colored paper, and as you can see, you can get both on here very easily, so I'll run that through. So I'll have 2 of this, and then with this guy, we will cut one that is the background piece, and I'm thinking I want to use the glittery and then like the purple, so let's use the deeper purple, and I'm gonna cut 2 of them just with this guy, so we have one for the front, one for the back. And then I'm going to cut one of the glittery one just like this. So I think they can both kind of have this sentiment. I was going to say, well, I was going to cut the sentiment just for the front one. But, you know, however you like to do that, if you want to put it on both sides or just omit this for the second side, which is probably what I'll do. Yeah, let's do that. So I will tape that down so they don't move. I run it through. And the second one, you know, if it fits here, however I can maximize my paper, probably like this, huh? And then the other one will fit perfectly over here. The second one, I'll pop that in, also tape that down so it doesn't move, and then we'll have our sentiment on that one. Okay, and I'll be right back. Wow, you guys, look at how thin those are. Hello Sunshine is what it says. Yay. So I'm gonna clean out the second one, this other one, and I'll be right back. So I have my front and the back. Again, Hello Sunshine here, and then the back one. Look how pretty those colors. They knocked out of the park with the colors today. What I'm gonna do is also go ahead and spray these before I assemble my purse. And just, again, giving that a little bit of a mix. I'm not shaking it really hard, not trying to get too many bubbles in there, just a little something. And then I'm gonna spray the purple bases, and hopefully you'll see the gold kind of coming through there with the teal glitter on top. And oh yeah, and I want it kind of a thick application because I want it to show, so whatever I can do to make that happen will be good. Okay. That's that. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry. If you want to take a heat tool to it, again, just, you know, heat it or cool it or however you want to do, but put some air on it, but with a little distance, right? And so yeah, that gold will show up there, and then this guy too. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so we have our pieces here that gold is definitely going to shine through. Perfect. Before I glue these together, I think I'm going to glue them to these bases, and then we'll put our purse together. So we have these pieces here, and I'm just going to show you that they should score this way. Yeah, this one's kind of a curved score, so whenever it's like that, I kind of like to just slowly kind of pinch across, right? Something like that. Same thing with this one, just following that contour really nicely. And then this bottom one. So roughly this one is going to glue into this one. Let me just show you this part. These guys are going to glue together, you know, with the curve, right? I only have curved one side, but I'll go ahead and curve this other one in just a minute. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and glue down my base pieces. Usually I do them afterwards, but I don't know exactly how curved this is going to be when you're done, so I'm going to go ahead and do it now. And right to the very edges, especially around these curves, because I want them to stay down. And I'm just going to eyeball that about how pretty. I love it already. So I'm going to have that guy there. And I just have a napkin just in case this isn't dry yet, because, you know, when I'm making videos I kind of wait a little bit, not too long, and then I gotta keep moving. So I'm gonna hold that one down. Very good. Just a little bit of glitter there, but not too much. The shimmer. And then this guy. Now, I'm putting the glue on these larger areas, but you see these thin lines. You guys know a lot of times I'll put glue on the back of my hand and just kind of pat into that. But we have that new glue pen, I would say little glue pen, but glue pen that we can also use. Okay, and just put some here and here. Now, we have our glue pen here. Yeah, and just give it a little squeeze. It says speed, let's see, different pressures and speed was an uneven release. Always test the pen before use. For smooth application, apply on smooth surface, return cap after use, and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to pop that off. I said there's like a little something on there, and the glue is already wanting to go for it. Now, definitely I would put this down. I just want to show you guys a little bit up close. You know, you can just come in, and I'm giving it a little bit of a squeeze, and you can just fill in these pieces if you would like. And that is that on that. So I'll just glue this right on top of here, and I'll be right back. This is so pretty. I love the color combination. So a couple things. You know, do you want to go ahead and stick it down like this, side to side first, and then bring them in? Do you want to glue them like this first? You know, just a little bit and that little bit, and then bring them together, which is probably what I'm going to do, but I'm sure there are several different ways to put it together. I'm going to go ahead and glue this bit first. Make sure we're right at the edge, but not too much glue. And it's just gluing those together, okay? I'll do the same thing for this one. So just that little tab bit. Okay, so I have those like little half cups. I'll put some glue on one of these guys. Again, right to the edge, making sure we're gonna have a nice seal there. And you're just gonna put one into the other, at least that's how I'm doing it. Like I said, there's different ways to put this together. however you find it easiest. So I'm just putting it down there. I'm just making sure they're nice and straight. Look straight on the inside, looking straight on the outside. That's pretty good. And I'm also going to let that set up before I move on, but of course if you're already massaging it and you just want to move on, put some glue on that glue tab and kind of hold it together here. You can definitely do that. I'm just going to wait for this part to set up a little more, and then we'll do the sides. So just going to put some glue on either tab and just bring that in. Again, it has a curve to it, which is really nice. It has a really nice style to that, so I'm just going to hold it right on the edge of this curved area and just kind of coax it in so it has a nice meet up. So I'm kind of holding it at the bottom first for a little bit, then I'll kind of coax this part in and continue up, you know, going like this basically. There we go. And I'm going to hold the one side. I haven't put glue on the other side, but I'll do the other side just the same. Just put some glue and just, you know, make sure it's really touching those curved areas. And I'll be back. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I love the shape. Let me give you a quick measurement before we cut a tag and finish it up. The height of this, you know, it's about 4¼ inches. 1½ kind of like in the widest area, and then the very base is, I would say, almost 3/4 of an inch. And then it opens up, right, because of that gusset, the way it does that. And then you can bring it in like this, you know, with your ribbon or however, and it definitely looks like one of those little beach bags. So cute. Which reminds me, I actually just this morning bought some lint candies that are like purple. They're blueberry and cream or something like that for spring. So how cute are those going to be in here? So I will bring some of those out in just a minute. But for now, we're going to, I said that kind of funny, I'll use this ribbon to seal it up, and I'm gonna get one of the little tags here. So yeah, so I'll just choose one of the tags. Ooh, you know what? Perhaps this guy. We have a hello sunshine. Maybe lots of love. I'll run this through some metallic paper that I have in my stash. And the reason I say metallic paper is because it just definitely, oh my goodness. Well, anyway, it looks really cool when you use the embossed area here. I put my little bag together. You can see the sides are very beige. We could also do these guys, right? So you cut yourself a bit of this, you can pop that in there, or with some scales, or maybe with a little scroll work, however it is that you would like to decorate the sides also. So I'll be right back. So I just ran that through some metallic gold paper I had in my stash. And let's see what we have here. There's a lots of love. Cute. So we have that. And I'm going to cut down a piece of our ribbon. I'm just going to pull it out of here for now. And of course, however much or however large your bow you would like to create. So I'll just kind of eyeball that and I'll be right back. I would say that's about 1 foot of ribbon. You can always singe the ends if you don't want them to fray, but this, it's so small and thin, I don't think it'll fray too much either way. So you have lots of love right here in the front. And just give it a pull. How cute is that? And then I'll go grab some of those chocolates and pop some in here. And I'll be right back. Just open this up right quick. And just pop some of these pretty purple chocolates. How pretty are these? Oh my goodness. They're perfect. So I'll just pop some of those guys in there. And of course you could have done that first, then tied our ribbon, but, and of course you can pack it in real well. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Tonic for sending these items for review. I'll have images for you guys coming up. I'll have the links in the description box, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.